Hello, my amazing Reynas family. Thank you all for your love and support. God bless you all. Today, I'm going to teach you some home remedies for cough, especially for kids. This is what I'll be using. I have some clove, garlic, ginger. Please make sure to use organic ginger. In my cup, I have some honey and I also have some lemon. I'll start by peeling off my garlic and ginger, adding into a pot, adding my clove and a bit of water to cook. When it's tender, I'll put into my blender and add some honey to blend. My dear friends, make sure to strain the water before adding to your blender because we don't want it watery. After blending, put into an airtight container and you can save in your fridge. Whenever you feel like you want to have some cough or your kids, just get a bit of paste. You can use like a teaspoon and give your kids to eat and they'll be fine. Moreover, when you're an adult, you can consume it as tea. Just add into your cup, add some warm water and squeeze your lemon into it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't also forget to leave those positive comments to keep me going. Thank you.